Check out this Hyundai 2012 Elantra GLS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are active ECO system, GLS preferred package, option group 03, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, XM, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio, AutoNav AM/FM CD MP3 with XM satellite and steering wheel audio controls. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.